Good afternoon, everybody, Excellencies, distinguished panelists, honorable guests. I thank His Excellency Ambassador Ubaid Salim Al-Zaabi, the permanent representative of the Permanent Mission of the United Arab Emirates to you in Geneva, and His Excellency Ambassador George Papadopoulos, the head of the European Public Law Organization's delegations in Geneva, for co-hosting today's panel debate on improving access to justice for workers, the case of the UAE with the Geneva Center for Human Rights Advancement and Global Dialogue. Today's panel debate is an important occasion to raise awareness on access to justice for foreign workers in the United Arab Emirates. The UAE is a major destination country in the Gulf region for foreign workers, primarily from Asia, but also from developed parts of the world. Foreign workers make up a significant number of the population of the UAE. They have played a central role in building up the country's thriving, open, and prosperous economy. The combination of wise leadership and open policies towards labor migration have enabled the UAE to become one of the most prosperous and developed countries in the world. It is to no small extent thanks to the hard work of foreign workers that UAE's economic miracle has become a reality. They are securing the future for tomorrow's generation. Labor migration has also brought benefits for countries of origin. Remittances by foreign workers to major destination countries from South Asia reached about $20 billion last year. The economic benefits of sustained remittance play a major role in alleviating poverty, inequality, and drive economic growth in developing countries. In other words, foreign workers are agents of change whose contributions have greatly benefited the economies of both host and source countries. In order to strengthen the protection of foreign workers, numerous initiatives have been implemented to promote the rights and welfare of workers. According to the recent Worker Welfare Report issued by the UAE Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, new labor standards have been introduced in which, inter alia, all contracts must be consensual nature. In other words, migrant workers cannot be forced to work against their will or under degrading labor conditions. UAE's new law for domestic workers, introduced in 2017, guarantees minimum hours of daily rest, access to dispute resolution, and annual paid leave. The UAE government is also introducing other initiatives to enhance access to justice for foreign workers. In October 2017, the UAE became one of the very few countries in the world to offer online dispute resolution mechanism. E-trials, video conferencing, conciliation, real-time translations, mediation, and court hearings are accessible through online technologies. In March 2018, His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Presidential Affairs, and head of the Abu Dhabi Judicial Department, established a prosecution unit to prosecute cases of abuse against domestic workers. These are the fruit of the UAE Vision 2021, launched by the leadership of the UAE to build a fair, just, and inclusive society. I would like to end my statement by sharing a quote from Eleanor Roosevelt, who said that justice cannot be for one side alone, but must be for both. I hope today's event will become the starting point of a debate to explore adequate methods to further enhance access to justice for foreign workers through a free and frank exchange of views between all parties concerned. I wish you success in your deliberations and thank you all for being here with us today. Thank you.